Republicans just released their tax plan, and for some, it's a lot of information to take in. So that's why we have certified financial planner Nancy Hecht joining us now to break it all down for us. Thank you so much for being here.
Well, thank you for having me.
Yeah, we're going to dive into some numbers in just a little bit, but before we do that, tell us where we are, where we stand now as far as filing our taxes.
Well, as far as filing our taxes for 2017,
Yes.
I don't think anything's going to change. I mean, keep in mind all of this is just proposed, and nothing has been voted into law. And I don't know that it will happen for us to file our 2017
Sure,
returns.
but I think that's what people need to hear, because I think people are in a state of panic where all these proposals are happening and they understand that nothing has been signed yet.
Exactly.
So it's a moment to tell people, take a deep breath.
Yes.
Do what you would normally do.
Yes.
And get it done.
Yes,
We're
exactly.
looking at some graphics on the screen right now. So right now there are 28 different filing possibilities, but that would be changed under this.
Right, right. What the big change is taking us down to 4 different brackets, tax brackets.
Okay, and so we're looking at that right now, the proposed 4 different filings.
Trying to simplify it is the goal here, but there are some winners and losers with this.
Right.
Tell us a little bit about that. What is your take on this?
Well, with the winners, the bulk of taxpayers are going to end up paying less in taxes. I mean, we see that the tax brackets, the numbers, have gone down to 4. The thing that people aren't really looking at is that the range of the brackets, you know, when a 0 to 12% bracket starts, are going up. So that has been expanded. So somebody who right now might be in a 25% tax bracket will probably be in a 12% tax bracket, or could realistically be in a 0% tax bracket for the bulk of their income and end up paying a lot less in taxes. So that's middle America is going to be the big winner as far as that goes.
It does look like for a lot of people they will be in a lower bracket, but there's also a lot of deductions that people have come accustomed to taking advantage of over the years. Student loan debt being one of the big ones, as well as some mortgage interest. Those would be eliminated or changed under this proposal, correct?
Changed, yes. The personal exemption is proposed to be eliminated, although the standard deduction is proposed to be doubled. Student loan interest would also be eliminated. I know personally student loan interest for us was about $1,200 a year. It didn't have that much of an impact. It's not as big as it is for a lot of people. Property taxes and mortgage interest is pretty much going to stay the same for most homeowners. People buying homes in the future, proposed with this, over $500,000 in value will take a hit, and there'll be a change as far as what they're able to deduct.
And then, of course, the big question after all that is, how is it all paid for?
Well, yes. Well,
it's going to remain a big question.
You know, and then a big part of that is with corporate tax rates going down and more money being available to be put into the workplace and the marketplace, coming down in the way of benefits, maybe increased wages or bonuses, so everybody could potentially have more to spend. And then also repatriating money is going to bring a lot more money back into the country, which looks like it's going to be spread around.
All right. We know we are just at the very beginning of this debate that could go on for several weeks.
Yes.
And we thank you so much for coming and joining us and giving us some of your insight this afternoon.
My pleasure.